everyone, it's me JP from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to disable or enable glance on Samsung from lock screen in Samsung smartphones running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you by going to the lock screen. So now you can see here, so this is the glance on Samsung. So in order to disable this glance on Samsung from the lock screen of your Samsung smartphone, what you need to do is just open the settings and just click on this wallpaper and style. Now just click on this change wallpapers. Now just scroll down below. I will see here wallpaper services option. Just click on it. Now in order to disable this glance on Samsung, you can either select the none or you can select the dynamic lock screen also. And if you want to go to the settings of this glance on lock screen, so you can see there are more options inside it. You can disable the auto update also. So right now I want to disable it, so I will just select the none and click on apply. Now you can minimize it. Now let us go back to the lock screen and check if the glance on Samsung has been disabled or not from the lock screen. So now you can see here glance on Samsung has been disabled from the lock screen. And if you want to enable it again, just move back to the same settings, click on this wallpaper services, select the glance on Samsung, click on apply and minimize it. Just move back to the lock screen. Now you can see the glance on Samsung is being enabled again. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily disable or enable glance on Samsung from lock screen in Samsung smartphones running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.